kula talin lahaa qof kastoo dhalinyaro Soomaaliya inuu yeesho aragti ganacsi. Qofku markuu isagu shaqaysto xor weeye, laakiin markuu qofku shaqeeyo waa la xukumaa, waa lagu amarku taagleynaya. Marka qofku xorriyad buu helayaa.
You want to be rich? Don't be an employee. You want to be rich? Be an entrepreneur.
I challenge anybody to do the following. Take 4 subjects: sales, negotiation, human nature, and money.
Sales is the number one asset of an entrepreneur. Sales equals income. When I find somebody who's broke, it's because they can't sell enough to cover their expenses. Rich Dad said 2 things. I must learn how to sell, and 2, how to use debt. That's the key to entrepreneurship.
How do we learn how to sell?
I take lessons. I go to sales training.
Okay.
I go to marketing conferences. I'm always studying.
Read every book on negotiation. Read any book on sales. Read any book on human nature, psychology, persuasion, any of that stuff. Then read any book on money. Read principles, like things like that by Dhalinyaro, by Buffett. You read those 4 topics, 2 years. Work your come back to me 2 years from now. Matter of fact, you won't even come back to me because you forgot about it because you're killing the marketplace. The market rewards people who outwork and out-improve. It's proven. This doesn't mean you're going to be a millionaire in 2 years. This doesn't mean you're going to be a billionaire in 2 years. Here's what it does mean to you. Your market value is increasing. Somebody may offer you something special next 2 years.